So now we've got Gliss.
Mate, I've never used Gliss before.
Nor have I.
The only thing we really can compare that to is the G-Technique EXO, you know, where it goes over the top of the ceramic coating. It can be used on its own. I mean, the one thing that's drawing me to that is anti-watermarks. So what's it telling me? It's not going to leave watermarks when the vehicle's wet?
It's a big statement,
Massive.
very big statement. So one thing for us to do is we'll try it and we'll see if that is true.
So, Sequels has finally cured for the 4 hours. We're now ready for Gliss. But in that 4 hours, what else have we coated, Steph?
So we've gone through the leather, the fabric, protecting the wheels. We've put pearl tile dressing on, which I quite like, it's quite amazing that is. So now we're going to put this hyper slick top coat on. The good thing about this product is it's a standalone, or it can be used as a top coat for Sequels. We then went over the top with Gliss. Hyper slick, hydrophobic top coat.
That should be like anything now.
Yeah, you can use on your own, or you can use it as a top coat to Sequels, which is what we've done on this. So we've given it massive amounts of protection.
We should mention taking Gliss off with this cloth.
Yeah.
Not good. This was linting, it was breaking up, it was leaving bits on the panel.
Yeah.
2 of the fat bars, perfect for that.
Yeah. A lot easier to remove than a Sequels though.
Absolutely, yeah.
And it felt really slick. When I was putting it on, it felt quite slippy.
I can't wait to get it wet.
No, I can't either. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.